I'm Nani, and I just want to talk a little bit about what's going on in the world and how it's working for me as a woman in business who's also a mom, the different things that are happening with AI and just the stuff that's happening in the world or things that we are experiencing. And I'm not going to get into that because everyone has their own experience, and there's also a collective experience that we all just know. But what I do want to talk about are some two tools that I want to highlight that have been helping me. One of them is called Positive Prime, and it's based in positive psychology. And it's this supercharged video-based session that has a lot of stuff baked into it. And it really just helps me set my days right. It's what I consider a multivitamin for my mindset. But you can also use it on the fly, like right before something important you're doing to boost your mood, or right after something that has affected you. It just makes you feel better. The second tool that I use is human design. And I learned about my own design in my life, and it helped pull me out of burnout because I learned how my energy works. Part of that was from learning about my human design type, and I'm a generator, and just learning how that worked for me. And also, there's many things in your human design chart that can help you. One of them is learning about my earth signs, because that's something that grounds you. And so I figured out that I need to complete things that feels grounding to me. And then I also need to have a plan and be organized. And it's not the same for everyone. So those are not necessarily your earth gates or what grounds you, but there's just so many little pieces of human design that have helped me just feel better in my life too. So those are two tools that help me feel better. And I have a way for you to get access to both types of those tools. And so I will put that in the description below. So we're just all going through this together, and I'm here for you, and I have some tools for you. Thank you.